Namaskar. Dear students, welcome. Today I am going to solve these 5 problems. Before solving this problem, I must tell you about Bernoulli's differential equation. About Bernoulli's differential equations. Bernoulli's differential equation of first order and first degree. What is Bernoulli's differential equation? A differential equation of the form. A differential equation of the form. लिख भी देता हूं a differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q into y to the power n. This is equal to q into y to the power n, where p and q are functions of x alone or constant, is called a Bernoulli's differential equation. Linear differential equations क्या है? The differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. P and q are functions of x only or constants. P and q may be a constant also. Then it is called linear differential equations. Now, a Bernoulli's differential equation can be converted to the linear differential equations. How we can convert the Bernoulli's differential equations to linear differential equation? But we can solve the linear differential equation very easily. Therefore, first we shall convert the Bernoulli's equation to the linear differential equation. A differential equation of the form is called the Bernoulli's differential equation. Is called the Bernoulli's differential equation. Bernoulli's differential equation. Bernoulli's differential equation. To solve where p and q are functions of x. P and q are functions of x, either functions of x or constant. What is x? You see dy by dx. X is the independent variable. P and q are functions of x, means p and q are functions of the independent variable. To solve the Bernoulli's differential equation, suppose this is number 1. To solve the Bernoulli's differential equation, first divide the differential equation by y to the power n. Dividing 1 by y to the power n, we get. Dividing 1 by y to the power n, we get. Dividing 1 by y to the power n, we get. Y to the power minus n dy by dx plus p into y divided by y to the power n. Y divided by y to the power n. It will be y to the power 1 minus n. This is equal to q. Mind that p and q are functions of x only. Y to the power minus n. Divide the differential equation by y to the power n. 1 by y to the power n means y to the power minus n. And y by y to the power n means this one. Suppose this is number 2. Suppose this is number 2. Now, put y to the power 1 minus n equal to v. Put y to the power 1 minus n equal to v. Put y to the power 1 minus n equal to v. This means d dx of y to the power 1 minus n equal to dv by dx. This is equal to dv by dx. d dx of y to the power 1 minus n equal to dv by dx. This means 1 minus n y to the power 1 minus n minus 1 dy by dx equal to dv by dx. This is equal to dv by dx. Now, this 1 will be cancelled. 1 and 1. This 2 will be cancelled. This means y to the power minus n dy by dx equal to 1 by 1 minus n dv by dx. 1 by 1 minus n dv by dx. You will get this one. Now, from 2, substitute this value y to the power minus n dy by dx equal to 1 by 1 minus n dv by dx. Substitute this value into we get. You may write here from 2 we get. This means 2, therefore 2 implies. From 2 we will get 1 by 1 minus n dv by dx plus, for this we have written this, p y to the power 1 minus n means v equal to q, right? From 2, for this you have written this one, and p y to the power 1 minus n equal to v, this is equal to q. This means dv by dx plus 1 minus m into p into v equal to 1 minus n into q. 1 minus n into q. You will get this one. What is this? This is nothing but a linear differential equation of first order and first degree, where v is the dependent variable and x independent variable. dy by dx plus py equal to q. It is of the form this. Now, finding integrating factor, you will get the solution. It means you will get a relation between y and x. Here you will get a relation between v and x. Also, it will contain a constant c. For v, just you may write y to the power 1 minus n. In this way, a Bernoulli's differential equation can be easily converted to a linear differential equation of first order and first degree, and we can easily solve a linear differential equation. It is a linear differential equation. You can solve this differential equation. You will get a relation between v and x with a constant, of course, arbitrary constant. Then for v, you substitute this one, then you will get the solution of the required Bernoulli's differential equation. Now, let us try to solve this question number 1. Let us try to solve number 1. We may write in the next page also. dy by dx plus y by x equal to y square. dy by dx plus y by x equal to y square. dy by dx. dy by dx plus y by x equal to y square. I think it was there. Dy by dx plus y by x equal to y square. This is differential equation. Now you see, this is a Bernoulli's differential equation. It is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to qy to the power m. Here p is equal to 1 by x, q is equal to 1. P is equal to 1 by x and q is equal to 1. This one. Suppose this is number 1. One is Bernoulli's differential equation. Dividing 1 by y square. Dividing 1 by y square, we get y to the power minus 2 dy by dx plus 1 by x. Y by y square means 1 by y. Means y to the power minus 1 equal to 1. You will get this one. what is our next step? Next step is put y to the power minus 1 equal to v. This means d dx of differentiate this with respect to x, both sides. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. This means minus 1 y to the power minus 2 dy by dx equal to dv by dx. You will get this dv by dx. Y to the power minus 2. This means y to the power minus 2. This means y to the power minus 2 dy by dx equal to minus dv by dx. This is equal to minus dv by dx. Now from 2 you will get from 2, therefore from 2 implies for y to the power minus 2 1 by x v equal to 1. Here dv by dx like this, or you may write here dv by dx minus 1 by x v equal to minus 1. This is number 3. Suppose this is number 3. This is obviously a linear differential equation of first order and first degree. This is a linear differential equation which is linear in V. Which is linear in V. Here integrating factor, what will be the integrating factor? E to the power integral p dx minus 1 by x dx equal to e to the power minus log x equal to e to the power log of x to the power minus 1. This is equal to x to the power minus 1, which is equal to 1 by x. Integrating factor is equal to 1 by x. Integrating factor equal to 1 by x. Now multiply the equation 3 by the integrating factor. Multiply 3 by integrating factor. You may write here. Multiply 3 by integrating factor. Therefore, 3 implies multiply 3 by integrating factor 1 by x dv by dx minus 1 by x square v equal to minus 1 by x. You may write in the bracket multiplying by integrating factor, which is 1 by x. Multiplying by integrating factor. Multiplying 3 by integrating factor. Integrating factor, which is equal to 1 by x. 1 by x. Now, this means this may be written as 1 by x dv by dx plus v. For minus 1 by x square, you may write 1 by x, ddx of 1 by x. This is equal to minus 1 by x. This is equal to minus 1 by x. This means, see the left hand side, first function into differentiation of the second function plus second function into differentiation of the first function into differentiation of the second function plus second function v into differentiation of the first function. Therefore, you may write d dx of 1 by x v. This is equal to minus 1 by x. This is equal to minus 1 by x. Integrating we get integrating we get 1 by x v equal to integral minus 1 by x dx plus c. This means 1 by x, what is v? What is v? V is y to the power minus 1. Y to the power minus 1. Y to the power minus 1 is v. This is equal to minus. It is log x plus c. Log x plus c. Or you may write this is equal to log x plus c. This means y to the power minus 1 equal to cx minus x log x. This is the answer. Suppose this one. This is the answer. This is the answer. We have solved question number 1. We have solved question number 1. Let us try to solve the question number 2. What is question number 2? You see. What is question number 2? Question number 2 is y1 minus twice y tan x. y1 minus twice y tan x. You may write here also. y1, question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. y1 minus twice y tan x plus y square 10 to the power 4x equal to 0. This is the question number 2. Or this question can be written as or dy by dx. Dy by dx minus twice tan x y equal to minus y square 10 to the power 4x. This is a Bernoulli's differential equation. Now divide this differential equation by y square. Suppose this is number 1. Suppose this is number 1. Dividing 1 by y square. Dividing 1 by y square. Dividing 1 by y square. 1 by y square. You may write y to the power minus 2 dy by dx minus twice tan x into y to the power minus 1 equal to minus 10 to the power 4x. Equal to minus 10 to the power 4x. Suppose this is number 2. Now put, you have to put y to the power minus 1 equal to v. Put y to the power minus 1 equal to v. This means dx of y to the power minus 1 equal to dv by dx. This is equal to dv by dx. Or minus y to the power minus 2 dy by dx equal to dv by dx. dv by dx. Or you may write y to the power minus 2 dy by dx equal to minus dv by dx. Equal to minus dv by dx. Now, just from 2 you will get. Now, from 2 you will get. Therefore, now from 2. From 2 you may write here 2 like this. Number 2. Therefore, 2 implies. From 2 you will get minus dv by dx. Minus dv by dx. Minus dv by dx. Minus twice tan x into v equal to minus 10 to the power 4x. 1 second. Now, just cancel minus form. dv by dx plus twice tan x v equal to 10 to the power 4x. This is equal to 10 to the power 4x. This is a linear differential equation of first order and first degree. This is number 3. This is number 2. Which is a linear differential, which is linear in V. Which is linear in V. This is linear in V. Now, to solve linear differential equations, first you will have to find the integrating factor. Therefore, integrating factor equal to e to the power integral p dx twice tan x dx equal to e to the power twice log of sec x. Integration of tan x is log of sec x equal to e to the power log of sec square x. This is equal to sec square x. This is equal to sec square x. Now multiply the equation 3 by sec square x. 3 multiplying 3 by sec square x. 3 into integrating factor, which is equal to sec square x, implies. Now you will get sec square x dv by dx plus twice tan x sec square x v. This is equal to 10 to the power 4x sec square x. 10 to the power 4x sec square x. Now you see sec square x, the differentiation of sec square x ddx of sec square x is equal to twice sec x into sec x tan x, means twice sec square x tan x. It is twice sec square x tan x. Therefore, you may write here ddx of sec square x into v, sec square x into v. You may write like this. This is equal to 10 to the power 4x into sec square x. 10 to the power 4x into sec square x. Now integrating we get. You may write integrating we get. Let me write the next place. What was this? Integrating we get. Now here. Sec square x into v, it will be definitely sec square x into v equal to integration 10 square x, this one. Sec square x into v. This means sec square x into v equal to integration 10 to the power 4x into sec square x dx. इंटीग्रेट करने से a मिल जाएगा. Have we written in correct form? You see here 10 to the power 4x sec x. Thus integrate this one. If you integrate this one, then you will get this 10 to the power 4x sec square x. Now to solve this one, You see here, if you put 10x equal to z, then sec square x dx equal to dz. Sec square x dx equal to dz. Z to the power 4 dz means z to the power 5 by 5. Z to the power 5 by 5 means z to the power 5 by 5 means 10 to the power 5x by 5 plus c. 10 to the power 5x by 5. What is v? What was v? V is y to the power minus 1. Y to the power minus 1. This means y to the power minus 1. Y to the power minus 1. 10 to the power 5x by 5 plus c. This is the answer. You may convert the y to the power minus 1 to the right hand side also, or you may write like this. You may write the answer in this way also. You may write the answer, or you may write 5 into 10 sec square x. 5 into sec square x equal to y into 10 to the power 5x plus 5c. You may write like this. 5 into sec square x. 5 into sec square x. For 5c, you may write another constant, either c1 or k or like this. 5 sec square x equal to y into 10 to the power 5x plus c1. You may write like this actually. And you see, we have solved the question number. We have solved question number 2. Now, what is question number 3? dy by dx plus y by x equal to y square by x square. dy by dx plus y by x equal to y square by x square. dy by dx plus y by x equal to y square by x square. Let us try to solve this problem. dy by dx plus y by x equal to y square by x square. Number 3. dy by dx plus y by x equal to y square by x square. This is again a Bernoulli's differential equation, which is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q into y to the power n. Q into y to the power n. Now you may write this means divide both sides by y square, you will get y to the power minus 2 dy by dx plus 1 by x y to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by x square. You will get this one. You will get this one. Suppose this is number 1. Our next step is put y to the power minus 1 equal to v. Put y to the power minus 1. Y to the power minus 1 equal to v. This means differentiate this minus y to the power minus 2 dy by dx equal to dv by dx. dv by dx, or y to the power minus 2 dy by dx equal to minus dv by dx equal to minus dv by dx. Therefore, from 1 we get, therefore 1 implies minus dv by dx plus 1 by x for y to the power minus 1, write v equal to 1 by x square. This is equal to 1 by x square. Or you may write, this means dv by dx minus 1 by x v equal to minus 1 by x square, or minus x to the power minus 2. You may write minus x to the power minus 2. What is this? This is a linear differential equation. This is a linear differential equation of first order and first degree. Suppose number 2. This is number 2. 2 is linear in V. 2 is linear in V. 2 is linear in V. Integrating factor. What is integrating factor? Integrating factor is equal to e to the power integral minus 1 by x dx equal to e to the power minus log x. E to the power minus log x. This is equal to e to the power log x to the power minus 1 means 1 by x equal to 1 by x. The integrating factor is equal to 1 by x. Integrating factor equal to 1 by x. Equal to 1 by x. Multiply 2 by the integrating factor. 2 multiplied by. Multiplying 2 by integrating factor will get. You will get 1 by x dv by dx minus 1 by x square v equal to what will be this? X to the power minus x to the power minus 3 minus x to the power minus 3. It will be this. If you multiply by 1 by x, it will be this. Now dx of 1 by x into v, 1 by x into v, first function 1 by x, differentiation of the second function dv by dx, plus second function v, what is the differentiation of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square equal to minus x to the power minus 3. Minus x to the power minus 3. Now integrating we get 1 by x v, and now integrating we get integrating we get integrating 1 by x v. This one, yes. Integrating we get d dx of 1 by x v, 1 by x v equal to minus x to the power minus 3. One by x v equal to integration minus x to the power minus 3 dx plus c, or 1 by x, what is v? V is equal to y to the power minus 1 minus x to the power minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus c, or you may write 1 by xy equal to 1 by twice x square plus c. This is the answer. This is the answer. One by twice x, or you may write twice x, or you may write here multiply by twice x square. Multiply by twice multiply by x square y. If you multiply by x square y, then you will get x square y. Then you will get x equal to x square y. You will get y by 2 plus x square y. See x square y. You may write this also, because if you multiply this equation by twice only x square y, put x square y divided by xy. Y will be cancelled. X square by x square y. It will be y by 2. X square y. C into x square y. Answer can be written in this way also. Therefore, we have solved this problem. Now, come to question number 4. Come to question number 4. What is question number 4? dy by dx plus x by 1 minus x square y equal to x root over y, x into root over y, dy by dx plus x by 1 minus x square, dy by dx plus x by 1 minus x square, x by 1 minus x square, y equal to x root over y, y equal to x root over y, x root over y. It is also again a Bernoulli's differential equation. dy by dx plus x by, it is a function of x, py, it is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q, means x into y to the power half, y to the power half. Now dividing 1 by y to root over y, we get dividing 1 by root over y, we get root over y means y to the power half, divide y to the power half, 1 by y to the power half means y to the power minus half. You may write y to the power minus half. Y to the power minus half dy by dx, y to the power minus half dy by dx plus y by root over y, y by root over y means root over y means y to the power half equal to x. You may write like this. Dividing by root over y. Root over y means y to the power half. Y by root over y means root over y. You may write like this. Now what is your next step? The next step should be you put y to the power half equal to v. Put y to the power half equal to v. Y to the power half equal to v. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. This is equal to dv by dx. This means 1 by 2 y to the power half minus 1 means minus half dy by dx equal to dv by dx. This means y to the power minus half dy by dx equal to 2 times of dv by dx. Therefore, from 2 we will get. Therefore, 2 implies y to the power minus half. This, for this you may write 2 times of dv by dx. 2 times of dv by dx plus x by 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square. For y to the power half, you write v equal to x. This is equal to x. This means dv by dx plus x divided by 2 into 1 minus this is equal to x by 2. You may write like this. What is this? This equation, original equation, has been converted to a linear differential equation of first order and first degree. Linear in V. This is linear in V. Which is linear in V? Integrating factor. Which is linear in V? Linear in V. Integrating factor equal to e to the power integral p dx x divided this. This is the integrating factor. Integrating factor equal to e to the power integral x divided by 2 into 1 minus x square. This is equal to. Now, what is the integration of this? You see, numerator by denominator. If numerator is the differentiation of the denominator, then integration is log of denominator. Now, you may write e to the power 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, suppose. Minus twice x, 1 minus x square. You may write like this. Now, differentiation of 1 minus x square is minus twice x. which is written in the numerator. This means that numerator is equal to the differentiation of the numerator. Integration is simple, log of the numerator. This is equal to e to the power minus 1 by 4 log of 1 minus x square. This is equal to e to the power log 1 minus x square whole to the power minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 minus x square whole to the power minus 1 by 4. One minus x square whole to the power minus 1 by 4. Now, if you multiply this integrating factor, if you multiply 3 by the integrating factor, this, then left hand side will become a perfect differential. And you can integrate this one, and you will be able to find the solution of this differential equation. Now, multiplying 3 by the integrating factor, multiplying 3 by integrating factor. Just let me remove this one. Three into integrating factor. 3 into integrating factor. What is integrating factor? 1 minus x square whole to the power minus 4. Minus 1 by 4 implies. You will get 1 minus x square whole to the power minus 1 by 4 dv by dx plus x by 2 into 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square whole to the power minus 1 by 4. This is equal to x by 2 1 minus x square whole to the power minus 1 by 4. We will get this one. We will get this one. Or you may write 1 minus x square 1 minus x square whole to the power minus 1 by 4 dv by dx plus x divided by 2 into 1 minus x square whole to the power 5 by 4. Can I write like this? 1 minus x square whole to the power minus 1 by 4 means 1 by 1 minus x square whole to the power 1 by 4. Already 1 minus x square is there. 1 minus x square whole to the power 1 plus 1 by 4 means whole to the power 5 by 4. This is equal to x by 2. 1 minus x square whole to the power 1 by minus 1 by 4. Whole to the power minus 1 by 4. And also p is also there. Just p is also there. xp, you may write xp here. P is also there. xp, this xp. Now, this means you may write d dx of 1 minus x square whole to the power minus 1 by 4 into b equal to x by 2 1 minus x square whole to the power minus 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 1 by 4. You may write like this. Can I write like this? First function this, differentiation of the second function. Second function v, if is the differentiation of 1 minus x square whole to the power minus 1 by 4 is this. Just you may simply check this one. You may simply check this one. You may simply check this one. Just you may write since d dx of 1 minus x square whole to the power minus 1 by 4. This is equal to minus 1 by 4 1 minus x square whole to the power minus 1 by 4 minus 1 0 minus twice x. The differentiation of this. This is equal to x by 2 1 minus x square whole to the power minus 5 by 4. This is equal to x divided by 2. This is equal to x divided by 2 into 1 minus x square whole to the power 5 by 4. Whole to the power 5 by 4. You see what? X divided by 2 into 1 minus x square whole to the power 5 by 4. Therefore, first function differentiation of the thing. If you differentiate this one, you will get x divided by 2 into 1 minus x square whole to the power 5 by 4. Therefore, you may write from this to this as this one. From this to this as this one. Now integrating we get. What is integration? 1 minus x square whole to the power minus 1 by 4 v equal to integral x by 2 1 minus x square whole to the power minus 1 by 4 dx plus c. The integration of this is this. What is v? V is equal to y to the power half. Y to the power half means root over y. You may write root over y. What is the integration of this? कैसे निकालेंगे इसको? What is the integration of this? Suppose this is number 3. You see, if you differentiate 1 minus x square, then you will get minus twice x. X is here, therefore write 1 minus x square is equal to z. Or since it is of the power 1 by 4, therefore write 1 minus x square equal to z to the power 4. 1 minus x square equal to z to the power 4. 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू z टू द पावर 4 लिखने से वो जो इंटीग्रेशन है इजीली इंटीग्रेट किया जा सकता है. इसको इजीली इंटीग्रेट किया जा सकता है. This means now we are going to integrate this one. Put 1 minus x square. Put 1 minus x square equal to z to the power 4. This means minus twice x dx equal to 4z to the power 3 dz. This means x dx equal to minus twice z cube dz. Z cube dz. Therefore, integral x by 2 1 minus x square whole to the power minus 1 by 4 dx equal to integral 1 by 2 for x dx. You may write minus 2 z cube dz divided by 1 minus x square whole to the power 1 by minus 1 by 4 means 1 minus x 1 by 1 minus x square whole to the power 1 by 4. 1 minus x square means z to the power 4. This means it will be z. Correct? 1 minus x square whole to the power it will be in the denominator 1 minus x square whole to the power 1 by 4. 1 minus x square whole to the power 1 by 4. Put 1 minus x square is equal to z to the power 4. Z to the power 4 whole to the power 1 by 4 means z. This is equal to minus integral z square dz minus z cube by 3. This is equal to minus 1 by 3. What is z cube? z cube 1 minus x square whole to the power 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Z means 1 minus x square whole to the power 1 by 4. No, no, number 1. Not 4 by 3, 3 by 4. It will be 3 by 4. Z means 1 minus x square whole to the power 1 by 4. Z cube means whole to the power 3 by 4. This will be 3 by 4. Therefore, from 3 we will get. Therefore, from 3 becomes 1 minus x square whole to the power minus 1 by 4 into v. V means you may write root over y. Root over y. This is equal to, this integration is minus 1 by 3. 1 minus x square whole to the power 3 by 4 plus c whole to the power 3 by 4 plus c, or whole to the power 3 by 4 plus. This means v equal to minus 1 by 3. Multiply both sides by 1 minus x square whole to the power 1 by 4. Already 3 by 4 is there. 1 by 4 means it will be minus 1 minus x square whole to the power 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 means 1 plus c 1 minus x square whole to the power 1 by 4. This means, what is v? V means root over y or y to the power half equal to minus 1 by 3 1 minus x square plus c 1 minus x square whole to the power 1 by 4. This is the minus 1 by 3. This is the answer of this question. Now, once again. Now, we have solved 4 questions. Let us try to solve the last one. Question number 5. Question number 5. What is question number 5? X square y cube plus twice xy dy equal to dx. X square y cube plus twice xy. X square y cube plus twice xy. X square y cube twice xy dy equal to dx. Dy equal to dx. X square y cube plus twice xy dy equal to dx. Now you see, if you write dy by dx, then it will be dy by dx equal to 1 divided by, it will be 1 divided by x square y cube plus twice xy. Therefore, write dx by dy. dx by dy लिख लीजिए, dx by dy equal to x square y cube plus twice xy. You will get this one. This means dx by dy minus twice y into x equal to y cube x square y cube or y cube x square. Right. What is Bernoulli's differential equation? Dy by dx plus py equal to q into y to the power n. P and q are functions of x only. Alternatively, if you write dx by dy, then the dependent variable is x, independent y. dx by dy equal to px होना पड़ेगा. Px, x is there. dx by dy equal to px equal to q into x to the power n. x to the power n. This is Bernoulli's differential equation in which x as dependent variable and y as independent variable. Bernoulli's differential equation. To solve the Bernoulli's differential equation, what is the first step? Just divide the differential equation by x square. Divide the differential equation by x square. Dividing 1 by x square, we get. Dividing 1 by x square, we get. Dividing 1 by x square, we get. You may write x to the power minus 2 dx by dy minus twice y. It will be x to the power minus 1 equal to y cube. This is number 2. This is number 2. Now put, next step is put x to the power minus 1 equal to v. This means d dx of x to the power minus 1 equal to dv by dx. dv by dx. This means minus 1 x to the power minus 2. No, not with respect to y. You will have to differentiate it with respect to y. Differentiate it with respect to y. Because here y is the independent variable with respect to y. dv by dy. dx by dy equal to dv by dy. This means x to the power minus 2. X to the power minus 2 dx by dy equal to minus, this is equal to minus dv by dy. Minus dv by dy. Therefore 2 implies, therefore from 2 you will get, from 2 you will get minus dv by dy minus twice y. It is nothing but v equal to y cube. This is equal to y cube. This is equal to y cube. Or dv by dy plus twice y v equal to minus y cube. dv by dy plus twice y v equal to minus y cube. This is linear in v with y as independent variable. Linear in v with y as independent variable. dv by dy plus twice yv equal to minus y cube. Let me write in the next page. dv by dy plus twice yv equal to minus y cube. dv by dy plus twice yv equal to minus y cube. Equal to minus y cube. dv by dy plus twice yv equal to minus y cube. Equal to minus y cube. Now, it is linear in v. What is the question? It is number 3. I think it is number 3. This is linear in v. Which is linear in v? Which is linear in v? Linear in v. Integrating factor equal to e to the power integral p dy. P dy. This is equal to e to the power y square. Integrating factor. 3 multiplied by e to the power y square implies e to the power y square dv by dy plus twice y e to the power y square v equal to minus y cube e to the power y square. E to the power y square. or d dy of e to the power y square v. You may write like this for these two terms, because first function e to the power y square, the differentiation of the second function is this, dv by dy, plus second function v. What is the differentiation of e to the power y square? E to the power y square into twice y. E to the power y square into twice y. This is equal to minus y cube e to the power y square. Now integrating we get integrating we get e to the power y square into v, e to the power y square into v, equal to minus y cube e to the power y square dy plus the constant of integration, the constant of integration. Or you may write here, you may write minus integral y square e to the power y square y dy plus c. You may write like this. Suppose this is number 4. Number 4. Now put y square is equal to y square is equal to z. This means twice y dy equal to dz. This means y dy equal to 1 by 2 dz. 1 by 2 dz. Therefore, this, what is this integration? Therefore, integral y square e to the power y square y dy should be equal to integration z e to the power z y dy means 1 by 2 dz. 1 by 2 dz. Now, which is equal to half into integral z e to the power z dz. This is equal to half into first function z, integration of the second function, minus integral differentiation of the first function, integration of the second function whole integral. This is equal to 1 by 2 z e to the power z minus again e to the power z. This is equal to 1 by 2 z minus 1 e to the power z. Z minus 1 e to the power z. Which is equal to 1 by 2. What is z? Y square minus y square. Y square minus 1 e to the power y square. Therefore, therefore 4 implies. Therefore, 4 implies e to the power y square. For v, you may write x to the power minus 1. You may write x to the power minus 1. X to the power minus 1 here equal to minus. This integration is minus half. Y square minus 1 e to the power y square plus c. Or x to the power minus 1 equal to minus 1 by 2 y square minus 1 plus c e to the power minus y square, or you may write x to the power minus 1 1 by 2 1 minus y square plus c e to the power minus y square, e to the power minus y square. This is the answer. This is the answer. X to the power half, 1 by 2, 1 minus y square plus c e to the power minus y square. Or you may write 2 by x also. 2 by x also. This is the answer. Dear students, today I have solved 5 problems. In the next class, we shall try to solve some more problems. Today I want to stop the class. I want to stop here. Thanks for attending the class. Thank you very much. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you.